Hello, welcome to my channel, Auto and RV Insider. Today, we are looking at something that is going to absolutely blow your mind. Seriously, forget everything you know about campers. This is a Lamborghini-inspired six-wheeled beast that looks like it belongs in the year 2050. It's aggressive, it's matte gray, and it's basically a stealth fighter jet converted into a luxury home. If you want to turn every single head on the highway, this is how you do it. First, let's talk about that stance. Look at the back. We've got a triaxle, six-wheel setup. That's not just for show. It gives this massive rig incredible balance and a planted feel on the road. The body is all sharp angles and carbon fiber vibes. And that gold Lamborghini badge? It tells you everything you need to know about the luxury and power hiding under the hood. Those bronze rims against the gunmetal paint. Man, it just looks mean. Now, let's hop into the driver's seat. We've gone for a super minimalist, sci-fi vibe here. We stripped out all those clunky, old-school plastic buttons and replaced them with a clean, high-tech dashboard. You've got a futuristic steering wheel and a giant wraparound windscreen. When you're behind the wheel, you don't feel like a truck driver. You feel like a pilot. The visibility is insane, making the whole driving experience feel effortless. But here at Auto and RV Insider, we know it's what's inside that counts. We cleared out the cramped furniture to make room for a full-blown modern kitchen. You've got sleek countertops and top-tier appliances. You can actually cook a gourmet meal in here. And check this out. Right across from the kitchen, we've mounted a massive smart TV. It's the perfect setup. You can whip up some dinner, kick back, and have a full cinema experience right in the middle of nowhere. So, there you have it. It's bold, it's fast, and it's the most luxurious way to hit the road. It's definitely not your grandpa's RV. What do you guys think? Is this the ultimate dream rig, or is it a bit too extra? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this look at the future of travel, don't forget to like and subscribe to Auto and RV Insider for more crazy builds like this one. See you in the next one.